I know I'm no Superman, 'cause I still feel the pain. And I've turned so many times, but you love me the same. Would you still love me if you saw this heart of mine? Would you still hold me though I ran so many times? Stripped and broken, this world's got me feeling so alone. Is there redemption for all these things that I have done? And is there healing for this pain inside of me? Now your heart is broken, it's not how it's supposed to be. To be, what am I that I might be your everything? What am I that I might be your everything? That you would give it all for me. That you would give it all for me. Is there a way to say I'm sorry for the pain? Is there some way to change this story that I have made? And is it too late to trade this mess that I have made for something beautiful to take away the shame? Could it be true I'm loved by you? No one has cared this way before, and now I see it was all for me. This cross that you endured, I say I'm sorry. I trade everything I've been so far. I give it all away for all that you are. You are.